What's going on YouTube? Jelani from JelaniTheMarketer.com back again with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I find products. Now, this is part of my product research mastery course. And there will be some videos from my Ecom Apex course when I was dropshipping, and I made a whole course about it. So I'm going to give you guys some videos for free. I'm traveling right now, so I'm not able to kind of actively make new videos. So this is just a little present for me to you. If you're dropshipping, you can kind of see my techniques that I use for when I'm trying to find products and all that good stuff. So if you're new to the channel, definitely stick around to see those videos. They're totally free. And if you are new, definitely subscribe and like this video so that I can give you guys some more new content. And I'll see you guys soon. Hey, what's up everyone, Jelani here. Welcome to the next video of Product Research Mastery, where I'm going to show you guys how to find products on BangGood, okay? So BangGood is kind of similar to AliExpress, however, it is another platform that allows dropshipping. So I found this via Sellwho, and I'm going to show you guys what Sellwho is after this video. But basically, BangGood is similar to AliExpress. You can find products on here, but I've noticed that a lot of products on BangGood are not on AliExpress, or you can't really find them as easily on AliExpress, right? Not to say that they're not on there, but you can't find them as easily, which makes me wonder if BangGood is a good place to find product to sell. And the answer is yes, okay? So head over to BangGood. In order to actually start dropshipping with BangGood, you're gonna have to apply to their dropshipping account, right? So I'm already signed in. I have an account here. So all you have to do is apply. It's free. You don't have to pay anything, and I can give you that form for you guys can just quickly just fill out the information so you guys can get an account. So the first thing that I do when I go to BangGood is I scroll down here and I want to look at the top selling, okay? And I can get some ideas from here, and then we can scroll down to the next page. Usually it's like electronics and stuff, and I stay away from electronics mostly because of the fact that, you know, if you're shipping something from China, this is where these products mainly are from. They do have factories in the US, which is really cool and makes life a lot easier if you can find a product that's on here that has a US factory or warehouse, right? So, but if you're shipping products from China and, you know, it's on the boat or it's on a plane, a lot of things can happen, a lot of things can break. And we don't want that to happen because you're going to get charged back, you're going to get refunds, you're going to get really upset customers. So we kind of want to stay away from electronics. Not to say you can't have success with them, but I stay away from them. Okay, so these are my recommendations, all right? So they give you some really cool ideas sometimes. But if I scroll down here, hot and new is really the section you want to be at, okay? Because it shows you the hot and new products. If I go into... so that's electronics. If I go into, this is a really cool product right here. All right, this little camcorder, this little mini camcorder thing is super cool. I'm going to show you guys on Ecom Hunt that this product is on Ecom Hunt, and I just like the way that they just format this, right? That they just give you some really cool ideas. I got some cool ideas from this health and beauty section for this exfoliating shower foot brush thing. And I ran an ad to it today, actually. It did okay, but the thing about it is Facebook limits the traffic that it can get because it's like, say, well, in my copy I said, you know, don't have any dead skin with this foot brush, and Facebook has, in their terms, you can't say anything negative about someone's body, right? So the fact that I said don't have dead skin, it kind of put a negative connotation on people who have dead skin, right? So be careful of Facebook's terms. They have some weird terms in there, but the jewelry section is pretty cool. Like this mineral watch is really cool, but they have a lot of products. They have a lot of categories, which is cool. So like I was saying, so if you come up here, you can see that's this US to European warehouses, right? So if I click on US warehouse or European warehouse, it's going to show me products that only come from those type of warehouses, right? Only from US, only from European, all right? And then down here, you can see they have all different types of categories that you can choose from. So if I were to go into home and garden and I click on home and garden, it's going to break it down to just those products, right? Products that are cool, right? These skull-shaped stainless steel spoons, right? For people who like skulls, can easily do well, and it's only $3.99. We can put that to like $10, maybe even offer it as a free plus ship, and boom, we have a product, right? So the cool thing about this is it gives you these initial offers, right? But if you go to more, it's going to show you some more products within those categories, okay? So if we were to scroll down here, you can see we got a coffee maker here. I actually was testing this in my course and it's doing super well. So I think this product for me in my course and the members of my course, you're going to see that this product is going to take off with lots of purchases. And this is actually cheaper from AliExpress, right? This is $30 on AliExpress. It is, let's check it out. I think on AliExpress it's like $60. So if I go to orders, yeah, it's like $62. But again, this is a product that only has 41 orders, right? So that's how we know it's going to be really good. People love coffee. So this is a product that for me is doing really well, right? So let's see here. This is just home and kitchen, guys, so we can get some super good ideas just from looking at this, and then we can go to another category if we don't find anything, but I'm sure that you can find products. And guys, if you see something here that's, you might want to compare prices to here to AliExpress, look at the price here, like, oh, this is $1.99, maybe AliExpress has it for 90 cents, right? $1 cheaper is a long way when it comes to advertising, right? It goes a long way. So $1 can make a difference. This electric blender is really cool, does really well, and they have pages of this stuff, right? Pages so you can easily look through and find some cool stuff. All right, and I found this website via Sellwho, which is the next video I'm going to show you guys. And Sellwho basically shows you suppliers of different products and makes it easier for you to find some. But this is great for us, right? Why? Because these are products that, especially within the homeware niche, right? People love to buy things to cook with. People love to find that new item will make their life easier in the kitchen. So the fact that we can easily just look through the popular items just makes our lives easier. I'm sorry if I'm talking and then like stopping. It's because I have the hiccups right now and I'm trying to keep them down while I do this, and it's not working, so my apologies. But guys, this is super cool, right? This is like literally makes our lives easier, kind of similar to Thief. We can just look at these products and see, all right, this is cool, let me look it up on AliExpress, see if the price is different. But let's go back and look at a different sub niche. So let's look at home decor, right? So let's click more and let's look at the home decor and see what products we can find here. So this looks really cool, this little wall clock, because it kind of shows it as like 15:32, so that means 3 o'clock, right? 3:32. But there's some cool lights in here, there's some cool clocks, there's some cool wall art. So definitely just look through because they just make it so easy for you to scroll and find some really cool popular products based on who are buying these things, right? And there's definitely products in here that AliExpress does not have. So this is another resource for you guys that a lot of people do not use. BangGood is such a cool website because there's actually this one product that I really liked, and they don't have it here, but it was basically like a dragon watch, and I can see that doing like $100,000 because people love dragons, right? And the fact that you can have a watch but it has like the dragon inside of the face, it was nice. Let's see if we can find it. So I'm gonna go to jewelry and watches. Let's see if I type it in, maybe it'll come up. This one right here. So the reason why I think it could do well because it resembles a really nice watch. Kind of reminds me of a Movado or like not a Rolex, but it kind of has the design of something fancy, right? So it gives off that prestigious feel, but it also has like that dragon, right? People love dragons, so if I wanted to sell this, I can target people who like dragons but also like watches, and it could do really well. I think I haven't tested it, right? I don't know until I test it, but for my initial thoughts, that's what I was thinking. And I know this isn't on AliExpress, right? I checked it, it's not there. So this American flags are really cool. People love to show off their patriotism, so we can definitely sell some stuff like that. All these little bracelets, you can get some ideas for free plus ship offers. But you have to look, right? That's the whole point of this. You have to look like on different places other than AliExpress. Obviously, you can look on AliExpress and find some cool things. It might take you longer, but you want to get some inspiration from other areas, right? And put that in your arsenal, your marketing toolbox, your product research toolbox. This is the whole point of product research mastery, is to start getting your mind to think differently when it comes to products, okay? And that you don't only have to look on AliExpress to beat your competition. You can look elsewhere and beat them, right? Okay, so let's look under sports and outdoor, okay? Because they have some really cool outdoor things that I saw. This is super cool. It's a little pricey. They do have a pre-order in it, which kind of stinks, because if we wanted to do mass orders, we would have to kind of wait. But it is a cool product, and we could probably sell this for like $100 to $200, right? Just because people like to do photography, and they could just put that, especially if people who have high quality cameras, they might not want to take their high quality camera. They might just want to take their iPhone and just take this, right? So that's super cool. Scroll down here. Let's see if we can find the product I was trying to show you, guys. So let's see. This is an awesome product. It's like a portable shower. It can be good for people who are hiking or camping out, right? So another thing you guys want to be aware of is when you scroll down on these pages, always look for hot products, right? Or look for products that are complement to the initial product. So after all these pictures, scroll down here, they have some really high quality pictures too, which is awesome, because AliExpress sometimes does not have good pictures at all. So if you come down here all the way at the bottom, you can see customers who view this item also view, right? So this is actually the product I was going to tell you guys about. So let's open that up in a new tab. But you can see that there's some other products like this portable bladder bag, right? This sandless pocket mat, right? So if you come down here, you can see there's other products that you might be missing out on if you don't scroll all the way down. Alright, so this product here is a portable solar panel outdoor travel emergency foldable charger power bank with USB port, right? So basically what it allows you to do is have some pads, 1, 2, 3, 4, that are solar rechargeable, right? So the sun can charge it up, but it's USB. So you can easily fold this up, put it in your pocket, put it in your bag, and go on your way. And if you want to stop, have a picnic or just stop for a rest, you want to put it out, and have your phone charging, right? Because it has a USB port. So this is the type of product that you would want to, target to campers, hikers, people who like outdoor stuff. But I really think it could do well, and the price is only $19, right? So we can charge upwards to like $40 for this, just because it has amazing functionality. Again, it goes back to what's functional, right? What can people actually use, but something that they've never seen before. So scroll down, guys. Look through this. Look through it thoroughly. Look through different niches. So, for example, I want you guys to look through the outdoor niche, okay? The kitchenware niche, the pet niche, okay? So if I come over here and look through all categories, and it should be under home and garden, and we look at pet supplies. Pets are literally one of the top niches to go into, because people treat their pets as if they are children, right? So that means they're buying them clothes, they're buying them food, they're buying different type of toys, right? So you want to capitalize on that. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry. So it would, you would kind of be putting yourself at a disadvantage if you're not testing different products within the cat dog niche, right? So look through these niches. Look through the outdoor niche. Look through the kitchenware niche. Look through the pet niche. Look through the homeware niche, which is another huge one. Canvases are insane. So if I type in some canvases, it might not come up. AliExpress probably has better canvases, to be honest with you. So by that I mean, let's go to AliExpress really quickly and type in canvas. You're gonna see these type of wall arts, right? Let's put wall art. That's probably a better keyword. Wall art. So if I go to orders, you're gonna see all different types of wall arts, right? But you want to be sure that these wall arts, look for stuff like this, okay? Look for wall arts that are panels. Don't look for like art like this, because most likely this art is taken from someone who actually, you know, that's their life. That's their life, is to draw out paintings, to draw out wall art. And if you're stealing it, you're stealing money from someone who's working really hard to do that. Of course, there are people who don't really care about that. But I'd rather stick to the panels, because the panels are less likely to be copied from an actual person, right? Anyone can make a panel art. So look for panels. So if I type in panel art, maybe that would be a better keyword. You can see all different types of panel arts, meaning there's different types of, there's different images on each panel, and when you put all the panels together, they form one image, right? So this one here is the American flag. This one probably did really well. 851 orders, $10 to $60 a piece, depending on size, I bet. Yeah, so size 2 no frame, size 2 frame. So there's different options, right? So think outside the box if you want to get into that, right? Maybe you want to go into the I don't know, the fishing niche, right? So maybe you want to look up some fishing panel arts, right? And then advertise that with, along with some different fishing products like fishing lures or fishing hats, right? So there's all different types of things you can do within niches that you want to be looking for. Look for different types of arts, look for different types of apparatuses, look for different types of things people can take with them on the go, portable, easy access, right? You want to make sure that these words are included, because it's all about giving people the comfortability, right? Giving them the comfortability, giving them the easy access, giving them the instant gratification. People love these things. So if you can make anyone's life easier with a product, you're onto something, right? You're on your 80%. Okay? So BangGood is definitely a website I would use to my advantage, okay? Just because of the fact that they, you know, they sort it out by recommendations, they sort it out by top selling. AliExpress kind of does that, but I think they kind of lack in that area, where BangGood kind of sets it out for you and shows you like things that you can actually sell, right? AliExpress tries to be too much of like a store, right? It's not that appealing in my opinion. Use BangGood so that you can go back to AliExpress, see if their price is different, look at the price match, right? It's all about getting your profit margins up, right? So you can have that 80%, right? That 80% from your product, right? You want 80% of your revenue to be from one product, but in order to do that, you have to find good prices, right? You have to find good products. So do all in your power to find good products. Use BangGood, use AliExpress, cross-reference, use the websites I showed you in the last video to make this all cohesive, so you become a product research machine. All right. So follow me to the next video, guys, where I'm going to show you guys what I use to find suppliers, which is Sellwho, and that's actually how I found BangGood. So you guys are going to see me look through it, try to find some good suppliers, try to find some products, and use Sellwho to my advantage to see if I can find anything I think would do well. All right. So follow me in the. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe. I'll be back with some new content definitely soon. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.